Hi, I'm Ian Jenks. I'm the Chairman and CEO of Smartkem. We're a publicly listed company trading on the Nasdaq exchange. Smartkem is seeking to change the world of electronics. We manufacture a range of semiconductor polymers that are used to make a new type of transistor. These transistors are made not by 300mm wafers, but actually by the square yard. We're focused on disrupting the $150 billion display market. So the display market's undergoing a bit of a radical change at the moment. And that's because you and I, we're experts. We all have a calibrated eyeball. We can all walk into a TV store and we can look around and we'll all pick out that one display where it's brighter, it's better contrast, where the color just pops. And every time there's been a new technology that's delivered that enhanced user experience in the last 40 years, that new technology has dominated the market. It went from cathode ray tubes to liquid crystal displays, from liquid crystal displays to the best at the moment, which is the OLED, and it's now going to move to the micro LED. The problem with micro LED TVs is that they're very difficult to make. That's not just difficult, that's very difficult. You have to take a big sheet of transistors, and then on a 40-inch television, you're going to put 25 million individual micro LEDs on top of that. And you have to align these mechanically, and then you have to laser weld every single one of those to the transistors below them. That's not a process that yields, and it's resulting in micro LED TVs that today cost $100,000. Instead of taking a sheet of transistors and then mechanically aligning micro LEDs on top and laser welding, we actually put the micro LEDs down first, upside down, and because we have a liquid transistor, we're able to pour our transistors over the top, and because it's a polymer, we're actually able then to use UV light to set those transistors and connect directly to the micro LEDs below. That delivers a high yield process and drives the cost down. So instead of high temperature resistant glass, we can make them on low cost, completely transparent, rollable, flexible plastics. And the combination of these things, we believe, will enable the boutique market that is available today for $100,000 micro LED displays to actually move into the high end of the retail market. In November 2024, we signed an agreement with AUO. AUO is the largest display manufacturer in Taiwan. Under that agreement, we will jointly manufacture a transparent, rollable, flexible micro LED display that will be unique in the display industry. As part of building out the infrastructure to develop that manufacturing process, we've signed an agreement with ITRI. ITRI is the Industrial Technology Research Institute of Taiwan, perhaps more famously known because it spun out TSMC, the world's largest microchip manufacturer today. Under that agreement, we're jointly developing a process line that's capable of making prototypes in Taiwan. I joined Smartkem in 2018 at the invitation of one of their large investors. I'm a photon junkie. I was absolutely fascinated by what it was they were doing, and I genuinely believed that here was a technology that could have a major impact on the display industry. 2 years later, I took over as chairman, and then a year after that, I took over as the CEO. And I guess that's just because I got more and more excited as the technology got more and more mature. And I ended up taking the company public in 2021 on the OTC exchange, and then more recently in 2024, I took the company from the OTC and we uplisted to the Nasdaq exchange. I've been very fortunate in my life to have introduced two products that have changed the world. The first in the field of the human genome, and the second in telecommunications. And I actually believe that Smartkem will change the world, literally the world as we see it.